Before we toss this salad together, of course, we're gonna need a dressing to toss it in. This is what I came up with when I did not want a really heavy, creamy blue cheese dressing. And this is all you're gonna need. 1 clove of garlic, and this is pretty large. I have 1 serrano pepper, which I use a grate to grate it really, really fine, or you could dice it really, really small. I have 1 teaspoon of Dash onion and herb seasoning. I'm going to let you know which one exactly right here so you can see it. This is the blue cheese crumbles. Just going to open that up. And right now I'm just going to eyeball it. So I'm going to put probably a good 2 tablespoons. I'm going to be using this right here. This is organic, great value, extra virgin olive oil spray. It's first cold pressed. It's a really, really good quality. And I'm just going to go ahead and shake it. And just spray a bit in the bowl. And add some sea salt. Some black pepper. And then I'm going to add 1/2 of a large lemon juice. It's going to look something like this. Set it in the refrigerator while you're preparing everything else and give it time to marinate. I'm going to add some spinach. This is baby organic spinach to the bowl. I did give it a rough chop. I usually use Power Greens, but I came across this. This is some baby greens. It just has carrots added to it. It was a good price. It's the same thing. It just has a little bit of carrot in there. I'm going to toss some of that in. Give it a bit of a mix. Vine ripened tomatoes. Thinly sliced cucumber. This is 1/2 of a large cucumber. 1/3 cup of sliced purple onion. Toss everything together. And then we're going to work on our protein. This is a dinner for 1. I'm single here. I'm just making this for 1 person, or a dinner for 2. You could get some thick cut New York steaks like I have, or if you're feeding more people and want to make a bigger salad, top sirloin steak works just as good. I'm going to be adding some garlic to this side. I'm not going to add my oil until last because honestly, for my opinion, I feel it creates a barrier for your spices and other flavoring. And that's just my opinion. I'm going to use, of course, my onion and herb dash because it really does the job. So why not? You could really go heavy with it, not too heavy. Just press it in because it's salt free. I'm going to do my black pepper. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my sea salt. And this just gives me more control over how much salt I'm using when I use the dash. I'm going to flip it. Add the rest of my garlic. And just repeat everything on this side. That was black pepper again. And then some salt. I'm going to go ahead and press it in. Give my pan a spray with the olive oil spray. Adding my steak to the pan. Add some serrano peppers whole. You could use these for garnish, and you could also eat them while you're having your salad if you like that spicy life. Give my serrano peppers a flip. After about 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to flip my steak. It's been 4 to 5 minutes because this is a thick cut New York steak. Keep in mind, top sirloin is just as good. I actually picked this up because it was a really good price. And I'm not going to go out of my way just to buy something expensive as far as food and stuff like that. I get things at a reasonable price, and this was actually a really good price. Cook your steak however you like it. If you like it well done, medium rare, raw, however you love it, go for it. But I'm going to be cooking this until it's about probably medium to well done. And then I'm going to take it off of the heat and let it rest before I slice it. I gave my salad mixture a toss, and I'm going to add it to my plate. Adding half of the dressing that I made. And I'm gonna just toss it around a bit. I'm just gonna actually take it, grab it like this. This came out amazing. You are going to love it. Try it out, make it. I guess you could call this a 2-for-1. This is the next day. I'm prep cooking some chicken for the weekend so I could toss it in some salads. I use the dash salt and pepper and garlic, and then a bit of lemon juice from a fresh lemon, of course. And yeah, so chicken or steak works best with the blue cheese. That's just my opinion. And it's really, really delicious. So let's toss this together. This is amazing. It looks beautiful on a plate. It's not only good for those hot summer days and nights, you could have it any time of the year and it's always going to be delicious. Try it out, you're going to love it, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, I got about 4 nice, thick, juicy, prep cooked chicken breasts. Loving it. Yum!